Hello friends, this video is based on the knowledge and research we have gathered from the various spiritual books and religious institutions. So today's question is that, can our good deeds get us into heaven? Whatever good deeds we do in our life, by doing that only can we get into heaven? Or is there any other way too? To know the answer of this question, first you need to understand a few important things. Let's begin this video and know about the important things which can get us into heaven. Suppose if a person feels that he is a good human being, but in reality he is not, so in that case, can he get into heaven? A lot of people think whatever things they are doing, it's as per God laws only. But they have no clue that they have committed so many sins in their life. They believe that reading holy books or by visiting temples and churches daily or even giving charity to needy people will definitely get them into heaven. But the real truth is, after doing all these things, still they will not get into heaven. They will not even get closer to it, and they can't even see it. Stop doing whatever you are doing right now and listen carefully. Just think and ask yourself that whenever you pray to God, why you always want something from Him? You pray because you always want something in return for your prayers. Whether you ask for success or happiness, you always want something or the other thing. Most of the people never visit church or temple to meet the God. They go there always with a list of demands, or when they need something which they can't get on their own, so they visit temple and churches to put their requisition. In today's world, where most of the people do things to show off, visiting temples and churches also has become the part of their show off world. Do you still think that by fulfilling these selfish motives of yours, you will get into heaven? If you are doing charity or doing good deeds with the mindset that this will get you into heaven, then surely I can tell you that you are very wrong in this. In every deed, your intentions matter the most. If your intentions and motives are not right, then after doing the charity of crores, you will still end up in hell. Everything is in your hands. The amount of charity doesn't matter. The only thing matters are the motive and intentions behind that charity. That's all for today. If you have any question related to this topic, you can comment below. We will try to answer all your questions. Thanks for watching our video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you can get more spiritual knowledge and raise your soul up.